here with a unboxing video. It's my summer edition Fabfitfun box. So this is the summer box and I got it last week, but I was away. Probably this unboxing is gonna be a little bit late, but you know, better than no unboxing video, right? I love the box. It's very summery. Let me just quickly tell you what it is if you don't know already. So it's a subscription box, and you know I love subscription services. And then this is a seasonal subscription service. So you get like summer, spring, fall, and winter boxes. You get like lifestyle product, you get beauty product, you get jewelries, you get lots of stuff. And it's a variety of stuff. And everything I believe is full size. And again, of course, you get more than what you paid for. So I'm really excited. Let's open this up because I really want to use whatever is in here. Like I said, I canceled all my subscription box services except this one. This is my second box actually. So we opened it. Oh my god, the color. Look at this. It's so beautiful. So, I love the box. It says Fabfitfun Tastes of Summer right on the cover. So first I get a letter. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, so first I get like a newsletter and it has all the products in here, which I'm not gonna look. Okay, and let's open this. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so first, oh my god, it's the Luna face cleanser. I have one that I'm using. I love it. I think this is the new one. It's the Fofo, Luna Fofo. I think you can download an app and whatever. Oh my god, I love this. I love my Luna cleanser. It's so good. It's so much better than the Clear Sonic, Clear Sonic face cleanser tool. This is so much better and I can't wait to use it. Oh my god, really excited. This is by Pier 1 Import. It's like a furniture shop, I guess. Not furniture, but like home decor kind of thing. I don't really go shop there, but oh my god, look at this marble tray, guys. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's like marble with gold edge. I feel like it might be a coaster. No, it's not a coaster. I can like put my little jewelries on here by the bedstand. I love this. Okay, this is beautiful. Oh my god, so far loving it. And let me show you this. Oh my god, guys, it's the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and a Contour Palette. Look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, look at the packaging. You know, I love some contour and highlights. So it's by Tarte. Again, Tarte has amazing products. Speaking of Tarte, I'm actually using the Tarte blush because the clay blush, it was so hyped up and about like a few years ago, and I just found it today. I said, hey, let's see, I love it. But anyways, this is a palette with some highlights and some bronzer and a highlight. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. And then, oh, what's this on? Oh my god. Okay, so I got some jewelry. I got a ring actually. This is what it looks like. Let me actually take it out. Oh, it's like a pearl kind of ring. Let me see. Let me take it out. I love getting like costume jewelries because I don't really buy them for myself. But anyways, this is the ring. Okay, let me just. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's like adjustable. You know, see. This is my wedding band, so ignore that. This is the ring. Oh my god, it's beautiful, guys. Look. Love it. Okay, I'm just gonna wear it. Maybe I'll change the figure. Maybe I'll change it to here. Okay, so I'll just wear it like this. And I got a Orlando Peta Play hair protection spray for damp and dry hair. Oh my god, so it's like a hair styling spray, you know? I never heard of this brand, but I can always give it a go, so I will definitely use this. Oh, I know this brand. It's a Coola Classic Sunscreen SPF 50. I think I tried one of their products from Ipsy back in the days. It was okay, but Coola Classic Sunscreen Sports Classic Face, like this is sunscreen. Anyway, you can never have too many sunscreens, so I will definitely use this. And then I got a exfoliating cleanser by wechat enzymatic face rejuvenator. Okay, so it's an exfoliating cleanser. I actually need a exfoliating face cleanser, so probably I'll use this tonight. Ooh. Oh my god, and I have a straw, guys. This is so funny. It says this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. Oh my god, I have a straw! How funny is that? And the big thing, like the biggest thing from this box, I think it's a towel. It says summer and rose. So let's open this up. It's a towel. Oh my god, it's perfect. It's a beach towel. You know, I love the beach. We don't really go on summer holidays because summer in Toronto is just so beautiful. We want to get as much summer as possible, so we really usually don't go out of the city during summer holidays, but we love to travel around like October and November and that kind of thing. So this is the perfect, you know, every year like we need to go on several holidays, so this is perfect for me because we need beach towels. And oh my god, look at the print. Okay, I don't really want to open this up, but oh my god, it's just a very floral, like summery beach towel. Yeah, it's very soft, you know. Yeah, this is everything I got for my summer Fabfitfun box, and honestly I will use every single thing in this box, and it's just so fantastic. I highly recommend this subscription service. And if you want to sign up, I will have a link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. But loving it. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!